Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma and in this video we will learn 3 kanji. First is the Kanji of Oil. Second is the Kanji of 7, we'll see here. And the final kanji is Kanji of 8. So these are the 3 kanji, in which 2 kanji are the countings and 1 is the normal kanji. So let's start with the Kanji of Oil. Hajimemashou. Guys, you can see here this kanji have 8 strokes. Let me show. These are the strokes which we have to follow. Ichi, ichi ni, ichi ni san, ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon go, ichi ni san yon go roku, ichi ni san yon go roku nana, and the final one is ichi ni san yon go roku nana hachi. So this is the final kanji which is having 8 strokes. Let's do practice of the strokes. Ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon go, ichi ni san yon go roku, ichi ni san yon go roku nana, and the final one is ichi ni san yon go roku nana hachi. So this is the final kanji which is having 8 strokes. Let's do it once again. Ichi ni san yon go roku nana hachi. One more time. Ichi ni san yon go roku nana hachi. Final time. Ichi ni san yon go roku nana hachi. So these are the 8 strokes of this kanji. This is the Kanji of Oil. Now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is abura, which is written in hiragana, and onyomi of this kanji is yu, written in katakana. Let's move to the meanings of this kanji. We will learn 3 meanings of this kanji today. Guys, you can see here there is no suffix added to this kanji, which means this kanji is written alone, and if you are writing this kanji alone without any suffix or without any prefix, it would be pronounced as abura, and abura means oil. Abura means oil. Second is this kanji is written as prefix, and suffix added to the kanji is as a. So if you are writing these together, these would be pronounced as abura a, which means an oil painting. An oil painting. And the final one is this. Here our kanji is written as a suffix, and in the prefix we have written a saki. Saki and a also have a different kanji. We will study about it later. So if we are writing these together, these would be pronounced as, sorry, this is not saki, this is seki. So these would be pronounced as sekiyu. Sekiyu. Sekiyu means petroleum. So guys, this was the Kanji of Oil. Now let's move to our second kanji. Second kanji is the Kanji of 7, which is very simple kanji. You guys can see here this kanji only have 2 strokes. Ichi, ichi, ni. So I don't think so that it would be difficult to write. These are the strokes to follow. Let's practice for 1 or 2 times. You can see here ichi, ichi ni, ichi, ichi ni, ichi ni, ichi ni. So guys, this is the Kanji of 7. Now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is nana, and onyomi of this kanji is shichi. Su is an extra word which shows the counting of things. This is only written for counting of things. Now let's move to kunyomi, meanings of this kanji. First meaning is the here you can see how this kanji is written as a prefix, and into the suffix we have written tsu. This is the same tsu which was written in kunyomi. So if you are writing these together, these would be pronounced as nanatsu, and nanatsu means 7 things. 7 things. Our second is an exceptional case. Exceptional case. Here you can see here there are the 2 kanji. First is the kanji of 7 and second is the kanji of sun. So if you are writing these together, these will be pronounced as nanoka. That's why this is exception. Nanoka, and nanoka means 7th day of a month. Let's move to the third one. Here kanji of Shichi and the kanji of moon month. If you are writing these kanji together, these would be pronounced as Shichigatsu, and Shichigatsu means July, 7th month of year. Final one is our kanji of 7 and nen. Nen also have different kanji. We'll study about it later. So if you are writing these together, these would be pronounced as Shichi nen, and Shichi nen means 7 years. Guys, I'll drop the link of these 2 kanji in our description. So this was the kanji of 7. Now let's move to our final kanji, which is the kanji of 8. So guys, you can see here this kanji also have 2 strokes only. Ichi, ichi ni. It looks like same as ha of katakana. So please guys, don't be confused. Just focus on its strokes, how we will write it. Ichi, ichi ni, ichi ni, ichi ni, ichi ni, ichi ni. So guys, please don't be confused. These are the strokes of this kanji which we have to follow. Now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is yatsu, and a small, sorry, I forgot to write, this is an extra tsu. And onyomi of this kanji is hachi and hatsu. Hatsu, this is the small tsu. So let's move to the meanings of this kanji. Here you can see our kanji of 8 and tsu is added as a suffix. So if you are writing these together, these will be pronounced as yatsu, yatsutsu, yatsutsu. So guys, which means this is the kanji of things, especially this is the counting of things. So yatsutsu means 8 things. Now our kanji of 8 and kanji of sun, this is also an exception case. So if you are writing these 2 kanji together, these will be pronounced as yoka. So guys, don't be confused. The kanji of 4 has yoka, this has yoka. So don't be confused between the pronunciation of these 2 kanji. And yoka means 8th day. And third meaning is the kanji of 8 and the kanji of moon month. If you are writing these together, these will be pronounced as Hachigatsu. Hachigatsu means August or 8th month of the year. And Hachi, kanji of Hachi or 8 and Nen, if you are writing these together, these will be pronounced as Hachi Nen, which means 8 years. This is the counting of years. So guys, this was the kanji of 8 and this was today's final kanji. So guys, I'm sure you guys are liking these videos. you are liking the way of study, then please give your valuable comments in the comment box. I'll surely work on those comments. And like the video, share the video with your friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for daily video updates. Thank you, bye bye, arigatou gozaimasu, jai mata.